The euro has lost its appeal to traders, and even moderately positive macroeconomic data fails to revive its former standing. At best, euro traders can hope for a halt in devaluation. So, today, news concerning consumer activity in the region was released. The decline in retail sales in the Eurozone was expected to slow to minus 1.1% from a 1.4%. In fact, the pace of decline decelerated to minus 1%, and this immediately hinted at a potential upswing for the euro, especially since previous data was also revised upwards to minus 1%. From a technical standpoint, the rate of a decline remained unchanged, but the overall outlook appears more positive post-data release. Given the evident overbought condition of the dollar, even a marginal improvement in Europe's macroeconomic data is sufficient to trigger a minor correction. It's too early to conclude if this correction will be successful. It's more likely to unfold towards the end of the American trading session. As a result, a return to yesterday's opening levels is quite possible. On the charts, we observe the euro continuing its descent against the US dollar within the framework of the current downward cycle. The rate has nearly reached the level of 1.07 last recorded in June of this year. Considering the significant weakening of the euro, one might speculate about the potential shift in the medium-term trend if the current downward momentum persists. However, sellers are confronted with a significant support level around 1.0700, which previously acted as a catalyst for the euro position. Therefore, until this level is breached, there remains a possibility of a price reversal. The British pound has also continued sliding against the US dollar. Over the past 7 weeks, the pound has dropped by more than 600 pips. Although the British pound is oversold, the price holding below the 1.2550 level steadily could lead to further downward pressure. In such a case, speculators might overlook the technical oversold signal, which in turn could cause additional weakening of the pound. Meanwhile, the bullish scenario is currently viewed by traders as a temporary pullback following the recent decline. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.